In today's tutorial, we will try to solve some basic matrix operation using Mathematica. So for that purpose, let's suppose a matrix A with elements 3, 4, 8 and 6 and matrix B with elements 2, 6, 5 and 9. To insert rows, press Ctrl key with the comma, and to insert column, press the Ctrl key with enter. So first of all, we will try to add these two matrices. And suppose any name for the matrix. C is showing error because C is a built-in command in the Mathematica, so we'll try to change the name. Okay, here to show the output in matrix form, we will write a matrix command in matrix form before adding A and B. But that's the matrix, the sum of A and B. Okay, now separate the two matrices. Okay, n name for the output, that subs is equal to matrix form into A minus B. This version of Mathematica is new version. Here we need to write matrix form explicitly, but in the older version it's by default that the output is in the metric, not in the row and column form. Okay. That's the result of subtracting A and B. Calculating inverse of a metric. Okay. To find the inverse of a metric, we use inbuilt Mathematica command, that's inverse. Just type inverse and write the matrix in the square brackets of which you are going to calculate the inverse. Okay, just open bracket. Okay, here's the inverse of metric A. Calculating determinant. To calculate the determinant, we will use another built-in Mathematica command, that is det. Inside det we will write metric A. Okay, it's the determinant minus 14. Okay, calculating determinant for metric B. Okay, det is just using a different name for the two results. Okay, that's 44. Now we will calculate transpose. Transpose for the metric. Here. So that's okay, it's in this form. To convert it into the matrix form, we'll use the command metric form. So here was the spelling mistake, FY. That is the transpose of matrix A. Transpose for metric B we'll just write name of the matrix into the square brackets and B. Now we will multiply matrix A and B to get the product. Okay, just give its name for the output and just metric form and AB. That's it for today. I hope you like my videos. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.